How often do you use a chest press machine when you work out? Check out these tips to make sure this exercise is as effective as it can be for you.
Welcome back to this week's edition of Trainer Tip Tuesday. Today we are continuing our conversation about the chest press machine. We're going to be talking about how do you decide how wide to set the handlebars for your chest press.
So one thing that we often see when people do a chest press is they just kind of default to whoever the machine is as far as how wide they should have their hands. But there are distinct advantages and strategic reasons for having your hands more wide or more narrow. One of which being how involved you want your shoulder muscles to be versus your chest muscles. The more narrow you have your hands, the more involved the front of your shoulders will be and the less involved your chest muscles will be, versus the wider you have your hands, the more involved your chest muscles will be and the less of a bias it will put towards the front of your shoulders. So front of your shoulders will still be involved, but it'll give your chest muscles a better opportunity to be involved in the exercise. So think about why you want to do the exercise to work the front of your shoulders or to work your chest muscles, and then choose your hand width accordingly.
Next time you're in the gym working the chest press, try out this tip to change the specificity of your exercise.